May we have a huge round of applause for our mentors who poured out their heart's elation through this melodious song.
The sparkle of fire is the witness of your worth. The silent flounce of the water is the witness of your softness. The rising of the sun in the east and sunset in the west is the witness of your rhythm.
Rhythmical movement of the moon is the witness of your perfection. My words, my soul, are the witness of oneness of glory of God, whose glorification can't be described in words.
A very exuberant afternoon to all on this magnificently glorious day. The galaxy of intellectuals, honorable guests, and benevolent teachers. How lovely is this day! We are very thrilled to offer welcome to our honored chief guest of the day, Sri Dhananjay Kumar Rana, the guest of honor, Admiral Satish Soni, PVSM, AVSM, NM. Most charming Ma'am Anita Rana and all the dignitaries who, with their great vision and concern, have nurtured the school to grow to its greater heights.
Light and brightness have always been equated with positivity and motivation and seen as the harbinger of good.
To start off on an auspicious note, we will now have a lamp lighting ceremony. May I request our revered Chairman Sir, wonderful pioneer, Soni Sir, most endearing Ma'am Anita Rana, great visionary Professor B.R. Gulati, very elegant Ma'am Nina Rai, and ever compassionate Ma'am Ramesh Lathar to kindle the lamp of knowledge and wisdom. And I request luminary Principal Ma'am and resilient HM Ma'am to escort them.
शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः
Fragrances are the feelings of flowers. Beautiful and fragrant flowers convey the feelings more accurately. And flowers happen to be the best when one thinks of gifts on special occasions. I request our ever caring and loving Principal Ma'am to accord a floral welcome by presenting a bouquet to the chief guest of the day, our most benevolent chairman. To the chairman, Dyal Singh Public School, Dyal Singh Colony and Panipat. And to the most gracious Ma'am Anita Rana. I request the NCC cadets to honor our chief guest, guest of honor, and Ma'am Anita Raina with badges.
May the excitement of today enthuse you. May its enchantment surround you, and may the fellowship that we share create happy memories and smiling magical moments. May the magical moments be many and memorable.
At my lowest, God is my hope. At my darkest, God is my light.
At my weakest, God is my strength. At my saddest, God is my comfort. It's a holy tradition to worship Lord Ganesha before any important event. So let's welcome the young brigade with their performance and seek God's blessings to give us the strength to learn as much as we can and shower His blessings upon us.
गणराय तेरे बिना मैं आदि स्तुताय कहाँ चला मैं। हे गणराय तेरे बिना मैं आदि स्तुताय कहाँ चला मैं। आकार लेने लगा ख्वाब मेरा साकार होते रुका ख्वाब मेरा। मेरे अधूरे काज ला सानी निदा दपा कर दे तू पूरे आज सानी दा पानी दा पवन सा बदली। नमो 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 नमस्ते नमो 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 नमस्ते। गणपति गणेश लंबोदर सोहे भुजाचार एकदंत चंद्रमा लाजलासे ब्रह्मा विष्णु महेश ताल ध्रुव सितारे अति विचित्र गणनाट आज मृदंग बजावे। धड़ धड़ाट धड़ धड़ जात दिन गिर दिन तन पे दल तिल 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 धड़ान 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 धा। ये जो है दिल ने कहा कि साडा दिल भी तू, साडी जान भी तू, साडी शान भी तू, ईमान भी तू, अरमान भी तू, वरदान भी तू, कि साडा दिल भी तू, साडी जान भी तू, साडी शान भी तू, ईमान भी तू, अरमान भी तू, वरदान भी तू. Hey boy, play that drum.
Performance it was. Maybe have a big round of applause for them.
It's indeed a moment of great pride for all of us. We are enthralled to have a new school block with the auditorium, which will surely add wings to our imagination and help us soar high and touch the pinnacles of success and glory.
Feeling gratitude and not expressing it is like wrapping a present and not giving it. So, to express gratitude on behalf of the students, I would like to invite our head girl, Miss Ruhani, with her speech.
A very good afternoon to all the eminent personalities present on this auspicious occasion, the inaugural ceremony of the new school block. I, Ruhani, the head girl of the school, on behalf of the entire student community, deem it a privilege to accord a heartfelt thanks to our esteemed guests of the day for providing us with the most resourceful block, with an auditorium and workstations for various activities associated with visual and performing arts at one location. This indeed is a prized possession for all the students, as it will help in their holistic development. This grand hall will prove to be a center stage for a number of students to exhibit their mettle in dramatics, debates, and other talent shows. This will be a battlefield for a number of inter-school events and competitions where we will be able to exhibit our finest talents. We indeed are fortunate enough to have such a splendid building which will give a new direction to our creativity and latent talents. I assure you that we will prove to be the true custodians of this grand legacy. I wish I could find the perfect way to thank you for being so generous. You all have touched our hearts so deeply that I can't even explain it. Thank you so much for making our dream a reality. Thank you.
God always has something for you, a key for every problem, a light for every shadow, a relief for every sorrow, and a plan for every tomorrow.
God is the source of all motivation, and from Him flows an eternal stream of calmness, optimism, and belief. To praise His divinity, here are some students with Bhakti Sangeet.
आदि गुरुवे नमः जुगाद गुरुवे नमः सतगुरुवे नमः श्री गुरुदेव नमः एक घड़ी दिनस मोको बात बिहावे मन न रहे कैसे मिलूं प्यार
एक पल दिनस मोको कब हो ना बिहावे दर्शन की मन आस कनेरी कोई ऐसा संत मोको बिरहे मिलावे हाँ कोई ऐसा संत मोको बिरहे मिलावे
कोई आन मिलावे मेरा प्रीतम प्यारा कोई आन मिलावे मेरा प्रीतम प्यारा हो तिस पे आप विचाई 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 कोई आन मिलावे मेरा प्रीतम प्यारा दर्शन हर देखण के ताई हर देखण के ताई पद सरगा सरसा कृपा करे ता सतगुर मेले हर हर नाम ते आई पमा पदा नी पासा निसदनि पदपा गमारे गर्द नीरे सा जे सुख देता तुझे राधी दुख भी तुझे ते आई जे भुख देता ही राजा दुख विच सुख मनाई दुख विच सुख मनाई कोई आन मिलावे मेरा प्रीतम प्यारा कोई आन मिलावे मेरा प्रीतम प्यारा
सब अर्पित बिच अग्नि आप जलाई
पक्का फेरी पानी डोबा जो देवे सो खाई पक्का फेरी पानी डोबा जो देवे
सो खाई
जो देवे सो खाई नानक गरीब टे पया द्वारे हर मेल लियो वडियाई मेल लियो वडियाई कोई आन मिलावे मेरा प्रीतम प्यारा कोई आन मिलावे मेरा प्रीतम प्यारा मेरा प्रीतम प्यारा मेरा प्रीतम प्यारा कोई आन मिलावे मेरा प्रीतम प्यारा कोई आन मिलावे मेरा प्रीतम प्यारा
कोई आन मिलावे मेरा प्रीतम प्यारा कोई आन मिलावे मेरा प्रीतम प्यारा
मेरा प्रीतम